Okay, guys. Here, I have the camera trying to record this, so this is going to be crazy. I look a mess, but here I am. Anywho, so we have a big secret up our sleeve. The kids don't know, but we have gotten them a dog. So the crazy part about this is that we have, since Harvey and I, before we were even married, there's always been a dog involved. Me growing up, him growing up. Even when he was a graduate student, he had a dog that I ended up inheriting as we got married. Became my favorite dog, a pit bull named Sana. Love me some Sana. Anywho, so we've always had a dog. When we moved to Ireland, we lost one dog like a couple months before we left. And then we gave one of our dogs to our cousin, to one of Harvey's cousins. We weren't sure if she was going to be able to make the journey, and a lot of pressure. We didn't know what we were walking into, what the environment was like. So she's healthy and doing well. Nala's doing well with her new family. And so we got here, and like I heard a statistic the other day that 49% of people in Ireland are dog owners. So the kids love dogs. They watch YouTube videos of dogs during quarantine. That's all they watch. They picked out the name of their dog, the color of the dog, what kind of dog they wanted, like everything. And we found out during quarantine our landlord was going to allow us to get a dog. So we decided to get one. We decided probably next summer, and then we thought about Christmas, and then the date just kept creeping up. And now here we are, basically mid-October, going to get a dog. So we're going to surprise the kids with the dog this evening. I had to give the preface to the story before I record their reactions. So this should be tons of fun. We don't know what we're walking into, but you'll see the surprises later. So you guys excited? Are you excited? Where are we going?
To like a restaurant.
Probably a restaurant. What are we celebrating?
Our anniversary.
How many years has it been? 4 years. When is our anniversary? Do you know the exact date? Close. November 14th. Good job.
Why are we celebrating so early?
Do you guys know why we're celebrating early? Why? Nobody can hear you.
We're going to go back and lock down.
Because we could possibly go back into lockdown. So we need to get all our celebration in after 4 hard years of living where?
Here in Dublin.
In Dublin. We deserve it, huh? And it's raining. Yes, it is raining. It is a yucky rainy day. So, you got to tell people we're like a family of surprises, right? So we love surprises. And well, one of the reasons, do you guys know why I like surprises?
Yeah, so we don't ask.
Yes, exactly right. I don't want all them questions every 2 minutes, so we just save it to the last minute. So what do you guys think we're gonna eat today? Because you guys say we're going on to a restaurant, and you say you think we're gonna get chicken, steak. What about mommy's favorite?
Crab.
Seafood? Y'all don't think we getting seafood?
I swear, if we drive. Well, I never really like seafood.
You think if we drove 40 minutes to get some seafood, what? That would be stupid. But your parents don't.
Either way, driving like 60 minutes to get something.
You think we're gonna get something?
We're gonna get something that we never eat.
That you've never had before? Well, we'll see.
I feel like we're going to a place that Daddy really wants to go.
Oh, so they think you're the reason.
Why do I really want to go?
Because it's you.
Because it's you.
So what's that mean? What does that mean? What's that mean?
Oh, she gave you the hand. Halloween is coming. Do you want fireworks, Carson? You do? Yeah. Landon, you want fireworks? Are you scared? You are? Do you think he's scared?
I'm gonna look at these fireworks.
We'll see.
Oh, look at the shop.
motorbikes.
Little motorcycles too.
Let's see. Look at those motorbikes. Do you like the motorbikes, guys?
Yeah. Don't you think it's like a concept?
Do you like the motorbikes?
Oh yeah, I see.
We're actually getting fireworks. That's scary. Look, they're selling fireworks. Oh, Landon's getting nervous because he doesn't like fireworks.
Do we drive here just to get fireworks?
Do we drive here just to get fireworks? It's a surprise.
I feel like we're gonna blow the house up.
Blow the house up with fireworks? No. Do you think your parents would do that to you?
They're being bullies. I don't want fireworks.
You don't want fireworks? You think we're being bullies? I don't think we're being bullies. Okay, so the suspense is building. There's no seafood here, is there?
No.
But there are motorbikes. Do you see the motorbikes?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna roll down the window. Oh, look, there's the Big Boom fireworks sign. Big Boom fireworks. Uh-oh. Landon's really nervous. Carson's confused. Uh-oh, now I can see her stomach's turning. Landon, you can't be that upset over fireworks. You guys think we're the meanest parents ever? Huh?
You said we were going to a restaurant.
No, I didn't. Y'all said we were going to a restaurant.
You said we were going to eat somewhere.
Is that what I said?
Yeah, you said we were going to go pick up food.
No, that's what y'all said. I didn't say that.
Oh!
What is that? Oh my goodness, is it? Is it? Oh my goodness, you think it's a cute puppy?
Yeah.
Landon, did you see the puppy?
Yes.
Isn't he cute?
He's so excited.
Look, he's shaking. Look at him.
You get some fireworks.
Come up here. Come on.
Aw, he's so cute. Want me to ask your dad if you can see him? Oh, now he is cute. Jack is excited.
It's funny.
He is funny. Look at these motorbikes though. Which one do you like? The green one, the black one, the blue one, or the red one?
I like the red one.
Landon likes the, of course, because it's the bigger one. Carson likes the green one too. Well, still waiting on our fireworks show.
Oh, this is a fireworks show.
It's on.
Hello.
Hello. So, why don't you tell us what you think? What's going through your head right now, Carson?
I'm scared
Why are you scared?
because I've never been to a fireworks store before.
Yes, you have in Houston. You've been several times.
It's a fireworks store?
Mm-hmm.
I've never launched a firework.
Oh. Well, we think it's time that you face your fears.
Jack, we're going to Moped. Come on.
Come on, let's go. Say bye to the people. Bye. Bye. Have fun.
So,
Can you take your mask? Oh, look, Carson. Take your mask off for a second. I need to see your face. Just stay over there. Landon, take your mask down for a second. Do you think he's cute? Look. He's super cute. Look at him. You want to take him home?
Yes.
You do? I don't know. He's pretty expensive. That's a fact.
He looks like he's ready to play.
They're not playing mood now.
Do you know
what
what?
dog is that?
The Frenchie.
Oh, what color is it?
So what do we say? That's your anniversary gift.
Yes. Okay.
All right. Well, we're gonna take him home. Nobody wants to hold him.
I want to hold him.
He's pretty.
Well, go get him. He's yours.
That's your dog. That's you guys' dog. Fill out that information, dude. I can't remember that information.
You can turn that off.
That's your puppy.
What are you gonna name him?
What you gotta name him? What you guys already named? What are you naming him?
You have your Gonna wrap them up, Clarkson? Somebody's taking over.
Never had a puppy in so long.
Ah.
It was 4 years and I finally got a puppy.
Just listen.
Huh?
Just go along with the story. Oh, yeah, it's cute. Can we see his face? I got it. You just show me his face. Here, Steve. Turn him around. Yes. So that's what the contest was for.
Yeah, like,
Remember the naming
I knew
contest?
that there wasn't no contest where you're naming the
So there wasn't
baby.
actually a contest.
No, baby.
So you thought you was getting a dog?
You thought you were getting a dog?
Well, when we started going all the way to Northern Ireland, I was like, oh, God,
I
get a
thought-
dog.
And then I saw the puppy and I was like, no.
Because in all those dog videos, they go all out.
I just got a puppy. I'll show you. Got it yesterday. It's a boy, sorry. Got him yesterday. Say hi. His name's Dillis. Dillis is so cute. You're so cute. Dillis is a puppy. He is 8 weeks old. He really likes to bite things. See, so Dillis, no. Dillis cries all night and super sweet. Yeah, so I got a puppy and I hope you like her. And